start recording. Alright, and we'll just, alright, so here is our coffee maker. Let's say you want to create a recipe. Let's make a recipe. So now let's say price is $10. Oh, no ingredients. Okay. Then we're gonna add ingredients: sugar, $1. Let's say, oh, doesn't work. $1. That one works. Let's add one more. Milk. I think if we put nothing and then we put here too. Yeah, put milk. Add. Now we added the ingredient. It shows here. So now we did add recipe in recipes. Let's edit the recipe now. Let's say we put 4 milks. Should work. And then let's say we add a new ingredient. Let's put frosting instead. Put 1. Submit that. So now it's frosting and sugar. So edit recipe works. We could also try and remove the other one. And then submit. And only shows frosting.
Yep.
No. Inventory is empty. I'm going to try to add something here. We need a. Let's put 10 frosting. Non-duplicate name. So must have added it. It adds. So say we add. Now it shows 11.
Yep.
And that's 12. Is that 13? Let's add 10. Wow. And if it's a -1, wow. I should just remove this. But the 0 amount, what it refers to is like which instance error. I should just remove that. Like amount.
I see. Yeah, no, I see. I get you. My constant confusion about worst case scenario, we couldn't really explain that. I don't think she would kill us for it.
That works.
There we go.
So it should be good now. I'm just gonna edit it that the table is created. Good. Okay. So now if I go here and I want to create this recipe. All right. So you see here, the recipe has all the stuff it needs. Okay. Now we'll get recipe and see that it was there. Good. And then this matches this. Now let's see here. We want to update the recipe. Update recipe. So we're gonna change it. Let's see here. Good. And now we want to put a weird ID. And it should not be able to update it. Good. And then here we want to just get ingredients. There's no ingredients right now, okay? Now we're going to make an ingredient. So we'll say add ingredient. It's added. And then so you get ingredients. Now we have that. Now we're going to do I basically ran this right here. Add an ingredient, and then let's say I try to add the same ingredient. Again, error. You can't add the same ingredient. And then to now update the inventory. So if you look at the ingredients that we have now, this is the ingredients, this is the inventory right now. So now if I want to update the inventory, by doing this, it will add 10. And it should be 20. See, 20. And let me just edit this real quick. It should be 20. So now we're able to update it. And let's say we want to we already did this. We did this one as well. All right, let's see the video. All right, so now we finished the API testing. Now let's just terminate this. We'll just check that it passes coverage. So the test passed. So all the different things have sufficient coverage. So the controller, they're basically like when we make a request from the front end to the back end, we call these basically, okay? We call these methods, and then we also have DTO. We use these to convert could use DTOs for like the API when we're setting the different APIs, as you can see here. So we need a different object than the original normal object. Okay, we have enum inside there, and then mapper, or basically mapping from one object to the other object. Now repositories, repositories are basically these are like the interfaces that we use to save in the database, and then services are the interfaces that we use to specify the classes in the service layer. The service layer is right under the controller, and in between the controller and the database